Hello beautiful, my name is Joany and welcome to my channel. In today's video, it's all about the arms. We're going to be working the arms. The first song will be just the arms. The second song, we do add the veil. Now if you don't have a veil, you could just do it with the arms. You don't need the veil. But if you do have something at home that's long enough, because we will be doing like a lot of figure eights, some shapes. So you want to have something that's long. Again, if you've never done the veil, I do have some links below. So for beginners, to how to hold a veil and how to work with a veil. So get into something comfortable and let's work those arms. Woohoo! See you inside. Deep breath in up, breathe out. One thing I want you to emphasize is when we're going to do our arm work, to also work the upper back. You want the arms to kind of relax on the upper back where the shoulder blade is, okay? Because you don't want to work it on the shoulders. You want upper body movement. So I'm going to go horizontal, up. Okay, again, let the arms sit on the shoulder blades, on the upper back. Horizontal, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Proper posture. So make sure that your legs are relaxed and not locked. I have a small flex in my knees. My pelvis is tucked underneath. And always breathe. Don't forget your breath. Okay, now we're going to go for an L shape. So I want you to keep your right arm down, left arm up, and switch. Yes, your arm's going to get tired. It won't take long. You're building endurance in the arms. And now we're going to bring that L shape. Instead of horizontal, you're going to bring one arm up and the other one to the front. So it'd be L shape this way. And I want you to kind of scoop the the left arm down and just kind of swing it around. Up and down and up. Good. Just swing it around. Now the upper body will twist a little bit. Keep your pelvis facing the front. Just twist to your rib cage right here. Excellent. Keep going. Woo! All right, so now we're going to start doing some circles. Big circle with the arms, so you're going to go forward, up and over towards the back, and then all the way up. So it's like a 1.5 circle. So now circle down, around to the front, and all the way down. One full circle going forward, up, back, all the way up. And one full circle going down, up and over, and then down. So it's 1.5 circle. One full circle, and then half circle going up, and then switch, go down, one full circle, and then half circle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going. So we're going to be doing this with the veil. So all these exercises that we're doing with the arms, we'll be doing with the veil. So now we're going to do a figure eight with the right arm. Sorry, right arm. So you're going to go forward, loop, and then back loop. forward and back. So it's like you're drawing a figure eight. And now switch. Forward loop, back loop. Up and over, back up and over, up and over. And then we're going to alternate. Okay, first right and then left. And guess what? And now we're ready to do this with the veil. Woohoo! Okay, same exercise. And horizontal, up, down, all the way down. 1, 2, 3, down, 4. Lead from the wrist. When you have the veil, you want to lead from the wrist up, thick. And again, arms, trying to emphasize on the upper body. And now we're going to go horizontal, and then left arm up, right arm up, and then left arm to the front. And swing. Doing an L shape. And now we're getting ready to do the big circles. So we're going to go. We're going to go up and over. So you're going to go up and over, and then down, and then up and over towards the back. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The veil looks so funny. Hold on. Up. Easy to go faster. Still practicing. Keep going. Even if the veil gets all tangled up, keep going. So I'm going a little bit higher, faster than what we did with just the arms. Woo. And get it going. Circle up, circle down, circle up, circle down. Veil up and over the shoulders, and then veil underneath the shoulders. Woo. Now let's get ready for the figure eight. We're going to start with the right arm, forward and back. Actually, let the veil go up and over to the shoulder. Up and over, back. Up and over the shoulder and back. And then switch. Up and over the shoulder and back. Switch, because eventually we're going to be alternating the arms. And we're going to be juggling the veil. Switch, figure eight. Up and over the shoulder and then back. Okay, so get ready. We're going to alternate. Start with the right. So make sure you have a good grip with the veil. And up and over and switch. Juggling the veil. Still drawing a figure eight, one arm at a time. So a bit more advanced. But all I'm doing is figure eight, one arm, bring the veil up and over the shoulder and off the shoulder. Good. Well, that was a great arm workout. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the burn. So we're building endurance in the muscles, since that's what we're doing. So we could do a lot more arm work, not just in belly dancing. We could do it in all different dance. Woo. So hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next video. You have a wonderful week. Bye.